Mack. Products and services for the transmission, distribution, and control of electrical power. Mack is North America's leading manufacturer of pressurizing, circulating, and forced cooling plants for the electric utility industry. Equipment and services provided by Mack include a wide range of offerings, from replacement and upgrades to complete new plants. We offer turnkey project supply and installation, as well as field maintenance of existing facilities. For the electrified rail industry, we provide a comprehensive array of products and systems for third rail and overhead catenary application that include custom-engineered DC switches, distribution and control lineups, stinger systems, and rail connection products. In our OEM and aftermarket business, we manufacture a wide variety of terminals, cable assemblies, blowout coils, contactors, relays, and other products used in new diesel-electric locomotives and transit cars, as well as for replacement in existing equipment. The people and facilities of Mack, a tradition of quality, integrity, and excellence.